You own a business looking to create awesome website for it. Then don't worry, I got you covered. I introduced you Gbope Cash TV. They will take your business to the next level with amazing and stunning designs. Gbope Cash are expert in services like graphic designing. They will create for you the most unique designs you have ever seen. They also specialize in mobile and desktop app developing. Just bring to them your ideas and they will execute for you within a short possible time. Social media and online marketing is another service they render. They will help your business connect to people through all social media sites, which includes YouTube growth and monetization. They also specialize in video ads design.
Hello, friends, family, everyone. Thank you once again for checking in this channel for the updates. The name still remains Gbope Tech TV. Today I have a special package for you. Now I am excited to share these ideas with you. Let's just go straight to what we are here to do. I don't want to talk much. As I said, the name still remains Gbope Tech TV. Today we are going to check a way we can get a virtual card. This has been one of the toxic thinking that we the online entrepreneurs has been stressful of to get a virtual card that we use to do our online transaction, because sometimes it's not good to be using your normal card that is linked to your main or your future account, and you don't want to be using the money. So you want to one you can handle of your own manage it. So anytime you want to purchase something, you just upload or fund that account the money you want to use. So you do it anytime that someone have something to do with that your card, they will not be able to scam you. So if you know this video will be interested to what you want or to be aligned with what you are looking for, please stick to this video. And if you know you don't want it, you can go away or you can skip it. But if you know you love it, please subscribe to this family and join us, because this channel give you updates about your online tech. So for us not to waste time, check in the description. There is a video that is being kept there. In the comment section, there is a pin video by the creator showing that create a bank account to earn your own money. Now we are going to use that bank account to get this virtual card, and the name of this bank is called Ghana Commercial Bank. Now Ghana Commercial Bank have their app, which is called the GCB app. The GCB simple means Ghana Commercial Bank application. Now this is their more money banking application that is going to allow you to be able to create your own instant account in the house of your own comfort. So you create that account, you use it for your online activities or your personal stuffs. You can even go to the bank and withdraw money from that instant account or load it, because they are going to give you a bank account. Please, let's go. Now this is how it will look like when you download and open it. But unfortunately, when you download it, they'll be telling you to create an account. And I already have an account. I will not then create an account. I'll log in. So if you already have an account, you want to create a different account, you see here they said switch user. So when you type on it like that, it will switch. So it will what? Switch. They will tell you to what? Register. So you see register here. Here they will tell you to register. But I'm not switching. I want to log in. So I will just type in my details and boom, we are what? Good to go. So my details will be this. So I'll enter my number and my password and we are going. Now my account has been logged in. This is how the interface will look like when you finish creating. Now let me show you how you are going to fund into this account and how you get it. So this is how the features is. We have home here, we have payment here, we have card here, we have help here, we have more here. So to be able to fund this, you go to transfer. So when you go to transfer, you come back to wallet to bank, the down one, wallet to bank. So you just type on it, self transfer, you can put it here. If you want, you can change the number. So you choose the provider. I'm using Voda, so my number is provider. So I just enter the amount you want. If I want to, let's say I want to deposit 500 cedis, you just put your narration, anything you can put it. Then you press submit. Automatically they will notify your mobile money people that they are funding a bank account from the wallet. So they'll bring approval, you approve it with your more money pin code, and automatically the money will be directed into your account. So let's move on to the card side. So when you finish depositing into your account, this is what you're going to do to get their card. Now to get the card, when you look at the down here, the grid at the down here, we have one ribbon here at the down. So that align each other. We have payment, we have sorry, we have home, we have payment, we have card, we have help, and we have more. So what you are going to do is you tap on the card. Now you're looking at the card, they have 3 options here. We have GCB debit card, we have GCB prepaid card, we have GCB virtual card. What you are going to do is, we are not taking the first one rather than taking the second one. We want a virtual card, not the debit. This debit card simple means you don't have card linked to your account, your savings or your future account that you create with commercial bank people, and you request for it here. They will show you to go to a branch or a post office and take it. It will be costly, but this one you will not pay much. You only pay 2 cedis, one for the card and one for the commission of the bank. So what you are going to do is, you can either fund your account with 5 cedi or 3 cedis just to get this card. Anytime that you want to make any transaction, you can go and fund it back. So pick the last one, which is the GCB virtual card. We have card created and funded for online users. So you type in like this. Now it is loading. Now you can also see this is my card. I already have my own. They said virtual prepaid. Now this is the card. Now this is my card. You've seen it. This is how it is. Now here they said view details. So if I press on this view details, you see all the details of me. You see my card number, you see my CCT code and my expiring date. So I don't love that, because the earth is not crooked way. Someone will use your card for their own purpose when they see your details. I don't want to sell myself out or to be scammed. So what you want to do, if you are a new person, they'll ask you to request a new virtual card, as it is written on top of my card here. So when you just type on it, it will load. Now you type in your account, you choose the account, then you accept the prompt, which is the terms and condition, and you submit. Now when you submit, there's a transaction decline. Let me submit again. Network like that. Transaction decline, please. Transaction decline, balance below minimum. So my money is not up to. So if I get money like to 5 cedi or 3 cedi, it will be enabled. So I've uploaded all the money to the card, and I've used it to purchase something at my crypto wallet. So that is it, and this is how you get a card. So just stick to this video. You can join the family, and the WhatsApp line will be there. You can text me of anything you don't understand, or you can leave whatever you want to know at the comment section. I'll come back and explain it for you. Even if it is much important for me to make a video, I will do a video for the sake of you and put your comment section on top for you to know that I'm really referring you to this video. And anything you want to know, don't hesitate to let me know. Thank you for being with us. Bye.